The hydraulic reversible plough is a heavy-duty agricultural implement engineered for high-efficiency soil cultivation on large-scale farms, designed to meet the demands of modern agriculture. It combines robust construction with advanced manufacturing processes to ensure reliable performance in various soil conditions. The main frame and key working components are manufactured from special alloy steel plates and treated through a high-temperature quenching process. This treatment significantly improves structural strength, wear resistance, and fatigue resistance, allowing the plow to maintain stable performance during long hours of continuous operation. As a result, the machine delivers a long service life even when working in heavy or compacted soils. Advanced robotic welding technology is applied throughout the production process. Precise and uniform welds enhance overall structural integrity, reduce the risk of deformation, and ensure consistent quality across every unit. This level of manufacturing accuracy contributes to improved reliability and lower maintenance requirements. Each plow body offers a maximum working width of up to 60 centimeters per furrow, providing excellent field coverage and high operating efficiency when matched with powerful tractors. The hydraulic reversing system allows smooth and balanced turning at headlands, ensuring uniform furrow formation and effective soil inversion. Designed specifically for large-area farmland operations, this hydraulic reversible plow helps increase productivity, reduce working time, and achieve superior soil preparation results.